Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use Codeium for Dart development. Codeium's AI powered features can enhance your Dart programming experience with smart code suggestions and completions. So let's dive in. First, make sure you have the Codeium extension installed and activated in your code editor. If you have not installed it yet, check out my previous tutorial on how to install Codeium. Now open your code editor and start a new Dart project or open an existing one where you want to use Codeium. As you write Dart code, you will notice that Codeium provides real-time suggestions. These suggestions appear in a drop-down menu next to your cursor. To accept a suggestion, simply select Tab or Enter button. Codeium will insert the suggested code snippet into your Dart file, helping your code faster and more efficiently. Codeium can assist with various aspects of Dart programming such as writing classes, functions, and widgets. It offers intelligent suggestions based on Dart best practices and common patterns. For example, if you start typing a class definition or a function, Codeium will suggest completions for properties, methods, and return types, making it easier to write well-structured Dart code. Codeium also supports Dart-specific features like asynchronous programming with futures and streams. It can provide relevant code completions and recommendations for handling async operations effectively. To customize Codeium's behavior for Dart, go to the extension settings and adjust preferences like the number of suggestions shown and language-specific settings. Use Codeium's refactoring suggestions to improve your Dart code quality. It can recommend optimizations and better coding practices to enhance the performance and readability of your code. Regularly test and review your Dart code to ensure it functions as expected. Codeium suggestions can help you write better code, but always validate your code through testing. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to use Codeium for Dart development. This tool can boost your productivity and help you write clean and efficient Dart code. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.